Hey guys, welcome to Culinary Creations with Kay. Today we're making a steak and butternut pasta. And to start off, I'm just gathering my ingredients. I chopped my butternut already. I need 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm mixing my spices for the steak. I believe in 6 gun more than I believe in myself. And now I'm just gonna add some parsley. I'm going to use tenderized steak for this recipe because I have a lot of it in the freezer, and so I think this is the perfect recipe to use it. And I'm just going to prepare my onion. I got the inspiration for this recipe from a cookbook I got. It's a cookbook by Zanele van Zyl, and it's titled Senidlile Kodwa, which loosely translated means have you eaten. So I'm going to need crushed garlic as well as sun-dried tomatoes for this recipe. Obviously, salt and pepper. I'm going to use chives as garnish later in the recipe. Well, actually when I am done. And we're going to need pasta. The first thing I'm going to do is line up my butternuts on my oven tray. I've already preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to add oil to my butternut so it doesn't burn. While my butternut is in the oven, I'm going to start cooking my pasta. So I'm going to throw it in a pot with some boiling water and some salt. Some people put just a drop of oil so that it doesn't stick to the pot. I do that as well. While my pasta is cooking, I'm going to get started with the steak. So I'm going to use the other tablespoon of oil. And once the oil is warm or hot, I'm going to put in the steak strips. So while the steak is frying, I just want to say that if you're new here, welcome. Culinary Creations with Kay is basically a new segment on my channel. And if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. As soon as the steak is ready, I'm just going to put it in a bowl and set it aside. In the same pan I used for the steak, I'm going to fry my onion. So I'm putting in my spices now. It's that 6 gun spice and the parsley. And my pasta is ready, so I'm going to add that pasta to the mix as well. Once the butternut is ready, and you'll know that it's ready because if you poke a fork in it, it will feel soft. You add that to your pan as well and you just give it a good mix. So I've set that aside and now I'm just creating my white sauce. I'm going to put fresh cream first and I'm going to follow with garlic and herb butter. You can get it at your nearest grocery store. I find this to be so convenient. And I'm going to add milk. You can add any kind of milk, but I've used lactose-free milk. And a tablespoon of flour as well. And I'm going to give that a good whisk until it's combined. Once that's combined, I'm just going to pour the sauce over my pasta and steak mixture. Once you've added your sauce, you can just give it a good mix and literally your meal is ready. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of this recipe. Let me know if you try it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.